Hello and welcome guys to the Pound Trader, a new channel where I will be sharing my regular analysis on the Pound USD. This is based on my opinion and my strategy. All right, so we're going to start by looking at the weekly, and you can see here we were in a range. Last week's candle closed with no momentum whatsoever. So we still don't know whether it wants to go down or it wants to go up, right? But I am still biased to the upside because, as you can see, so it's a push phase. We exhausted a bit, and I do believe we might be going up. All right, so let's move to the daily. Now, the main reason why I drew this support level here is because it just marks where we are at today, but initially it's supposed to be here. But for my purposes, I'll just put it down here. And as we can see, yesterday's daily candle closed with a bearish candle, but it's a bit of an indecision candle. If you look closely, you can see that the wicks are equidistant to each other. And that lets us know that it is not the strongest bearish candle. So for those reasons, it still confirms to me that I would want to be looking for buys. And we can also see that it closed almost around the same area as a point we had over here, right? And I also put here HH, which just signifies higher high, and it also made a higher high. So that's why I'll also be looking for buys still. Okay, now let's move on to the 4 hour. Now the 4 hour, we could see here that I did have my trend line here from these points. Yesterday, it came to this level over here, which is the 1235 level. And we can see that it's almost like a sort of double bottom. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think, right? But this is just extra confirmation that I will be looking for buys. Share your opinion, guys, because I might be wrong. I don't know. But yeah, I'll still be looking for buys because I can see there's something going on here. I still haven't entered. I normally enter on the 1 hour time frame. And as part of my strategy, I mark the previous day's lows and highs with a different colored line level. And then I look for zones in between here. And the zones that I have is this black line over here. And then I also have a point around there. Now, there's something interesting that's happening over here that I'll still be looking out for. So you can see the candle hasn't closed yet. And we can see that we have approached yesterday's high. All right. So as I said, I am an intraday trader. So I look for moves that happens, in between these times. All right. So today I would like to see this happen. I would like to see this close above and then maybe come down to correct either here or even here is okay before we go up, right? I like to wait for proper break and retests of key levels. And we can see that we do have something similar that happened over here. We were going down, which was the exhaustion. And then we had a trend line break. So let me move this here. Oopsie. Here. And then it came and it retested and gave a bullish candle here and it went up. I did a video on this. You can watch my previous videos. I made a video on my trades from last week. So I'd like to see that happen because we do have a rejection at the same zone. So it'd be really cool if we also got a break of, above this level here, a retest with a bullish candle. If we can get this during New York session, that would be good. And then we take it up. But in case we start rejecting from here again, there's a high probability that it might be going down, But we'll have to wait for it to close because I have to wait until 1 hour closes and the candle is strong enough for me to give me a sell or buy signal, right? But I will personally just be looking for a break and then a retest and go up. Hopefully if you get something like this because, the markets are quite repetitive. So that's what we're hoping for today. This is my opinion. Share what you think as well. I'd like to hear from you as well so we can learn together. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. This is a new channel. I'd like to at least get to 100 subscribers for this first month. I'll be super, super grateful. Have a good day and make sure you practice proper risk management. Bye.